YouTube. What it do, y'all? I'm back. I ain't seen y'all in a minute. Right now, we on the way to the range. Oh, I gotta get it cut up first. Just got my hair done. So I'm finna get it cut. Spider. I'm finna get it cut. And yeah, bro. Y'all really just gonna be with me today. So yeah, goddamn beautiful day. Blue skies. I feel like I might, you know what I mean? Mac a bitch or something, or excuse my language. But yeah, man, y'all coming with me. I know I'm black as hell, I'm dark as fuck, but it is what it is, man. Y'all love me anyways. But yeah, man. Tap back in with y'all when I'm at the barbershop. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all this. If you want to do something, do it, bro. Fuck what everybody say. Fuck what everybody else doing. If you want to do something, do it, bro. Only you gonna save yourself. Only you see your dream. Only you see your vision. I'm not an inspiration at all, but I'm trying to be. All right.
Pretty fast, I can tell that shit flirt. No, I can't give you my heart. My ex bitch, they need a rest, but
Oh shit. Looks clear. What it do, OG? Shit. Fucking barbershop was closed, so I guess I can't do that. What it do, man? Let me get I'm
doing good, and you?
shit. Let me get a wine wood tip, bro. Wine wood tip? Black and mild? Yeah? Yeah. Is that one? Yeah. It look right.
Have a great day. See you next time.
Hey, how you doing? No. This on me. I'm not recording y'all. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this is on me. It's literally at this moment you can see the bullshit loading in my head. So, stay tuned. Hey, you don't know where the hose at, do you, bro? No? I guess not. The hose? Hose, yeah. You don't know where they at?
Come with me.
I'm fucking with you. All right, y'all have a good one. Fucking with him and shit. But yeah, motherfucking barbershop was closed and shit. I'm low-key mad as hell, G. Fucking just got the fresh retwist. Can't even get no fucking haircut, bro. That shit actually just pissed me off. But it is what it is, man. Pull up, get some fucking gas, and just go to the range, I guess, bro. But I guess I'll tap in with y'all when I get to the range, man.
I do some family. I'm racing for champions. I'm making shit happen. I'm not with the pen.
Alright, y'all. Just got to the range. And I know y'all saw me buy that Black and Mild, but I don't promote smoking at all. I just stopped, I don't know if I can say this, not incriminating myself. Ooh, I'm black. But I just stopped smoking weed, so I needed a substitute. I went to a cigar bar with my OG yesterday. OG equals mom, if y'all didn't know. Went to the bar with my OG, cigar bar with my OG yesterday. And I liked it, bro, so I don't really smoke blacks, but I just grabbed it today because I got a little bit of liquor at the crib, but no, don't judge me. No, we doing it like that. But yeah, bro, I'm finna put my shit right here. Get my shit up out the car. Look. Alright. A little crossbody on. Oh, I need my glasses. Who else y'all know? Oh, man. Who else y'all know? Shoot guns with the Supreme glasses on. Cause I don't know nobody else. I'm talking about. This fit of the day. You know, good local merch. Good love letter ones on. Wipe these off. Yes, sir. We in there like swimwear, baby. Let's go. I ain't been here so fucking long, bro. They probably gonna be like, damn, nigga, you back? I am paying the membership, so probably should be using it a little bit more, but I don't know. We in here, bro. Ooh, I ain't been here so fucking long, bro. Ooh. What's up, man? Hey. Let me see. I want to shoot something I never shot before, so let me see. Let's see what they got, bro. Let me see. 380, 5.56, 22 long rifle. Let's see if they got any 5.56, bruh. So I can try to shoot some other shit. They got 380. What is this? Oh, this is 22 long rifle. Huh. Why is this only $5, bro? Is this good ammo? Y'all let me know. Is 50 coming here? 22 long rifle. I guess I'll try something. Should I try the 380, bro? I don't fucking know. I'm gonna shoot the 380, bro. Never shot 380 before. Oh, that's 25 cartridges. This 50? Hold on, man. It's 22 long rifle. Yeah. What's going on, man? Yeah. Let me.
Are you shooting?
I am.
Okay. Driver's license?
Yep.
You shot this before?
I have, yeah. That membership.
What's up, Walt?
What it do, man? And I'm gonna grab a rental from you too.
Just so you're aware, your range maintenance fee expires on the 20th of this month.
Okay.
So next time in or whatever, you'll have to renew that.
Okay.
What would you like?
Can I try the M&P 1522? Yeah.
Did you pick up that
Maybe like 6 months ago. Yeah. I bought that here. Yeah. I shot that and then I bought it the same day. Yeah. Yeah. I ain't been here in a minute, man.
Yeah, I just picked it up myself.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, I bought the scope from y'all and everything, man. Y'all got me right. Woke my game up a little bit.
Right, this ammo?
Yep. And let me get 4 targets as well.
Okay. You good with eyes and ears?
Yep.
Okay, 42-33. One second, your tri-tap coming up. And there it goes.
Can I get a bucket too? Lane 12. Cool, cool, cool. All right, thank you, sir.
Yep.
All right, man. First time shooting 22 long rifle. Man, need to talk to you, man.
After we're done shooting yours, we'll try 9mm. I've already looked at the one I want to try.
Hey, did you put somebody on one?
Yeah. Good night.
I bet. It might be heavy too.
All right, so we in the range now. Start off shooting my SIG P320. Aim everything down range. And yeah, man, just training up the EDC a little bit. So let's see how I do. I guess I ain't shot it so long, so I'm a little rusty.
Okay.
When it's unloaded. Inside your range. Everyone,
Not bad. Not bad for my first time back. Not bad at all. But better. Alright, so right now I'm shooting the Smith & Wesson M&P 1522 Chamberlain 22 long rifle. It's got a mag capacity of 25, 33.8 inches for the total length. 16.5 inch barrel. This is a semi-auto blowback with a polymer grip. Came with a little banana clip. We getting fancy. Super intense scope. I don't know what that is. But yeah, first time shooting 22 long rifle. Let's see how I shoot.
I haven't actually see her yet.
I'm going to give you a tip about this right here.
So this scope is not turning on for some reason. Oh, I'm about to ask if they got extra battery or something, because I know it's supposed to do something. But I'll be right back, I guess. All right, we got a battery now. Simple red dot. I don't know. Also walked out with no case on the firearm, and these guys started fucking tripping, so I don't know. I'm kind of pissed off now, but let's see how we shoot, man.
Remember, hold it strong. One of the 4 rules.
This sight is so off, it's unbelievable. I mean, I hit a couple shots, but literally my dot's got to be fucking a foot over, bro, from what I'm trying to hit. So I don't know. Nigga did all that snapping just to have a fucking fucked up scope. So it is what it is. Oh my god, this is so fucking trash.
You good? They go into the middle a bit.
This shit is so trash, bro. Damn, this shit's trash. I want to try to adjust it myself, bro. Alright, that shit was so trash I had to swap it out. So now I got a this is the Ruger 1022 Chamberlain 22 long rifle. Looks badass. 18.5 inch barrel. Only holds 10 in the brick or the mag. It's actually pretty cheap. Like less than $400 cheap. BC scope on it, so. It looks nice. Look cold as hell. Reminds me of that big game hunting shit. Used to play it like Chuck E. Cheese and shit. What's this? Is this the mag?
Yes. So, little foot. We're going to take this out first. And
Okay, fine. Alright, he just challenged me. Gotta get 5.55 and then 3 4s. So what's that? 27? Goddamn.
Breathing in, and you go like this. Watch my hand. Feel it moving like this. So kind of, when you breathe normally, you exhale. Should be full.
Bottom 2. Alright, y'all. Just got some Tillos. Just left the range. Did some good shooting and shit. I mean, I know how we do. But yeah, bro, they kind of blew me, bro. Cause I was shooting a 22 long rifle, right? And that the scope did not have a battery in it. So I bring this shit out, bro. First, I made sure I cleared it. I made sure I put it on safety. Made sure I left the mag in there. And I come out there like, hey, bro, you fucking thought there was an active shooter in that bitch, bro. Like, niggas was fucking tripping. Niggas, this country time? Patillo's ghetto as hell. But you would have thought there was a fucking active shooter. This nigga going off. He's like, oh, they should have told you on the inside. I'm like, damn, nigga. Like, I just needed a battery for the fucking scope, bro. But other than that, that's not gonna ruin my fucking day, bro. That was a bad moment. That nigga got on my fucking ass and kind of pissed me off. Pause. But overall, it was a good ass day. Felt good to be back at the range. The niggas I normally fuck with was in there. Well, the distinguished gentleman I usually fuck with was in there. And yeah, bro, just had a nice day at the range, bro. Did some good shooting, trained up, shot 22 long rifle for the first time. Yeah, everything was good, bro. So I'm probably end the video like this. Yeah, man, like, comment, subscribe. It is your boy Midwest Cole. Love y'all. Please comment down below if y'all stay to this part of the video, bro. I love y'all. And that's first and foremost. I don't know if I told y'all that already, or if y'all even heard that today, but I do love y'all. And comment down below what y'all want to see from me on this page. I think this page will be solely dedicated to gun content and gun content adjacent. So if I go shopping for a new one, if I buy something else, you know, if I really just, I don't know, I might throw some personal stuff in there just to get a feel from what y'all want, but this is mainly just gonna be gun content. So y'all let me know, man. It's your boy Midwest Cole. I'm black as hell and y'all already know. Peace. Love y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Sheesh.